Azure Storage Services. So we already have seen when we were doing the practical of Azure Storage, and we observed that there is Azure Blobs, Azure Files, Azure Queues, Azure Disk, and Azure Tables, right? And what is the use case of blob storage basically? So you can keep your images, documents, your videos, audios, the data storage for backup, disaster recovery, and analytics. All these things, whatever the data you want to put, you can just put in that blob storage, right? Now the access TS we got to know itself in that storage account when we were doing the practical. So the hot one is something which is frequently accessed data, right? Which is live one. Cool is something which we can access data stored for at least 30 days, and cold is something which is has been stored for the 90 days, and archive, which is rarely accessed data stored for at least 180 days. Now Azure Files key benefits. Shared access using industry standard SMB and NFS protocol. Fully managed, no need to handle hardware or operating system, and it is integrated scripting and tooling support. Okay, so this what Azure File is. Similarly, the Azure Queues, which has the messaging services, and the use case is something triggering the actions such as processing forms or automating workflows like using Azure functions. Azure Disk, which is block level storage and virtualized storage for Azure VMs with high resolution availability. And Azure Table, which use as NoSQL storage. So this exercise we'll do in the next video.